problem is about dropping the missing data. Here, the given information is that there are some rows having missing values in the name column. Here, we need to write a solution to remove the rows with the missing values. In order to achieve the desired output, here we will simply use drop-in function, which is used to remove missing values inside our data frame. So let's try to execute the code. Here, we will simply return our data frame by applying drop-in function for name column as mentioned in the problem. So let's try to execute the code. Now let's check if our code has successfully passed all the test cases. Here we have successfully submitted our code. If you are satisfied with my approach, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.